ल्हान राज्याक केंद्र सरकारा कडल्यान येवपी जीएसटीचो परतावो हेर राज्याकून पयलीं दिवपाक जाय अशें मत जीएसटी कावन्सिलाचे वांगडी आनी मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनो हाणें म्हणलां. मोठ्या राज्यां परस ल्हान राज्याची येणावळ कमी आसता. ते खातीर आर्थीक बाजू घटमूट उरपा खातीर ल्हान राज्यांक जीएसटीचो शेअर आनी इन्स्टॉलमेंट बेगीन मेळपाक जाय.
Highlighting that whenever the compensation due, though it is ending in July, to the smaller states should be given at one time. Just as you keep it pending for all the states because you have no money. It's not the fault of the central government. That much of cess collection, it's not there from there. They will give to the states at one go. It was given in tranches. My simple submission was, let not small states suffer. Our requirement is very, very small. Give it in one go. And to the credit of the Union Finance Minister, last time around we were paid up till May. We got 1,291 crores at a time when the state was in quite bad shape as far as our finances are concerned. So it really helped us. So valid suggestions which help the country, which help the state, our Honorable Finance Minister has always been in the forefront, coming